Actually, when I see something cool, this was pretty cool.
And thank you to Sean for getting a Crash Course coin with the $113 that he's earned from his recently monetized channel. If you want to go check out Sean Powers on YouTube, maybe you can go brigade him. That's what we do. What's it called? Is that what? I don't remember what it's called in Twitch, where you like end your stream and everybody goes over to a different stream. Let's all do that to Sean Powers' YouTube channel. Everybody, check out Sean Powers' YouTube channel. I'm going to do it right now. I don't know what Sean's doing, but earned it. Well, I'm gonna have to find it now. Is it this one? It is.
Hey, I'm Sean Powers. Welcome.
There's Sean. Sean teaches. Looks like Sean teaches about stuff, about computer things. I thought I was gonna come up with a useful word after that, but I straight didn't. I ended up on things. Engineering raid. That's what it's called. We're gonna raid Sean Powers' YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the chat. And so thank you everybody for being a part of. It's gone. It went by quickly. I'll try and hit it again. We all go raid Sean's YouTube. Thank you to everybody for.
I mean, that was pretty cool, right? I mean, Hank Green. Yeah, I recently wrote an open letter to them on my blog, which was cool. And I noticed that the Crash Course coin, which I think you can still get today. I'm going to post this right away. You can get, it's $100 and it supports 2,000 people learning, which is awesome. My kids have learned from Crash Course at school. So it's a great cause. And, yeah, all the revenue that I've earned on YouTube has now gone to a Crash Course coin. So, yeah, thanks for everybody who is now joining and rating my channel. Awesome. See you next time. Oh, I should do my thing, right? Learn everything. Do what you love. And most importantly, be kind. I'll see you next time.